Hey guys, what's going on? My name is James Mason. I just want to give you a quick recap on my profits today. I had 3 tickers that I just actually sold for a quick loss, and it will make sense when I show you the fourth one. The fourth one was the one that I was focused on. So let me go ahead and get rid of this camera. Alright. So, the first ticker, BBD. I lost $30 on this one. The second one, PAGS, I lost $80 on this one. And the third one, LLNW, I lost $55 on this one. Now, the reason why I lost money on these, and I'm about to show you, is because I had bigger things going on in this last ticker, and I was in and out of this next one all day today. But those 3 that I showed you, if I actually would have stayed in them, I would have made a profit. So the last one, ticker SAEX. As you can see, I made $4,010 on this one. I was in and out of this thing, like I said, multiple times today. I traded a total of 22,000 shares, and you know, it was an outstanding day on this one. A lot of people made a ton of money on this. So if you want to know how to make money like this in trading, follow that free course that I released. I literally break it down. Like, so many people have already messaged me telling me how they've went through the course and already started making money. But if you're new to trading, I want you to go through those courses. They are in order, very in depth, and the details in each course lead into the next course. Well, not course, lessons. So you need to watch them in order, because there are key points in these videos that you need to understand. And if you watch these videos and practice paper trading this way, trust me, when you start figuring it all out, paper trading, you'll start making money. So that's just the easiest way to put it. So, you know, it was a phenomenal day for me on this ticker. Like I said, the other 3 tickers, I took losses on those, but I took losses on those to focus on something bigger, and it paid off for me. And a lot of people, again, a lot of people made a ton of money on this ticker today. So if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe, so you'll get all the notifications in the future on my videos. And I have some other things I'm working on for you guys that'll be free as well. And, you know, give me a thumbs up. So I appreciate you taking time to watch this video, and I will see you in the next one.